Has now turned bloody. It's become a bloody conflict there between the TMC and the BJP workers. Another BJP worker, Sukhdev Pramanik, was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Burdwan district on Sunday. BJP worker had attended the party's function in Jamalpur 2 days ago, and since then he's gone missing. On Sunday, locals found his body floating in a pond away from his house. BJP has also blamed the TMC for Pramanik's death, demanded the arrest of the culprits. TMC has, however, denied such allegations, saying that the BJP worker died due to drowning under the influence of alcohol.
আমার ছেলেকে মার্ডার করে থাকে আপনি উপযুক্ত তদন্ত করে বার করুন যদি মার্ডার করে থাকে তাহলে আমার ছেলে মার্ডারে আমি উপযুক্ত বিচার চাই শাস্তি চাই শাস্তি চাই মার্ডার
बंगाल में आज पूरा गणतंत्र शेष है। बंगाल में जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता है उनको तृणमूल मार रहा है, क्योंकि तृणमूल आज पूरा समझ गया जो उनका वो बंगाल में उनका खान पान सब खत्म हो गया और इस बार ही उनका ये सरकार जाएगा यहाँ से।
देखिए, ये पूरा झूठ है। वो जो मर गया वो तालाब में डूब के मरा, इसमें तृणमूल का कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
Going back to Manogia Lohewal on that, Manogia, BJP worker there, the BJP accuses that Pramanik's death was because a TMC worker has assaulted him. The TMC, in fact, denies these allegations, saying that he was drunk and he drowned. What does the initial report suggest on ground?
Well, remember, there have been allegations against the ruling party that they have been hand in glove with the administration also, and that's why the reason that BJP has been claiming that even the Hemtabad MLA who died, where the party claimed it to be a murder, was of course construed, and the last report was absolutely clear that it was a suicide. Now, these are political allegations. As the administration continues for its investigation, there are several aspects to it on what was the circumstances of the death and what then percolated to the last level. Now, these are all circumstantial evidences that the cops have gained, and then they file a final report. The blame game, however, begins just after the death. Remember the last death that took place, not just yesterday, but just the beginning of this week in North 24 Parganas, where a BJP worker was murdered in broad daylight. That too has raised several questions on the violence that has been ensuing. Violence is, of course, not new to Bengal and the state politics here, but the fact that it is now gaining momentum one after the other and is increasing, leaving one after the other dead, be it any political party, is a matter of concern for sure.
Well, Malogia, thank you very much for joining us with those details, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.